हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड या एज यू गाइस हैव सीन बाय द टाइटल and the thumbnail, today is very serious video, like not really, but still by the time you are watching this video I will probably be in Jaipur, but still right now this video is shot when I am living in Hyderabad. So this setup is in Hyderabad, so this is probably the last video I am shooting here. Oh my god, tomorrow or day after tomorrow the people who movers and packers will come and just take everything. So this is the last video, but I wasn't planning on this video, but some things happened and I have to make this video. If you are confused about why I am talking with only one of my hands and not both of them, so just let me show you guys one thing now. So as you guys can see, this is how my right hand looks, like literally perfect. All nails are perfect and the nail paint is literally, this is like the most gorgeous shade I have seen in a long time. I literally love it so much. So when I painted my nails this week, I thought like, yeah, this is the manicure of the week and I am going to wear it until I get to Jaipur. So that is what I was thinking, and you guys can see just how beautiful this looks. But let me show you guys the tragedy. Can you guys see any difference? Yeah, my index finger, I think this is the index finger, I hope so. So this fingernail just randomly decided to just end it all, just finish itself randomly. Just not randomly, but I was packing and then it's just like cracked from here. Like, can you guys see how beautiful that looks? Oh my god, it is a big deal for me because I was kind of growing them from like 3 months now, and this is just how long they are. Can you guys see how beautiful? Just don't look at that nail. Can you guys see? I miss these kind of long nails. I have been taking care of them like so much, and yeah, this happened. So after this long narration of how my nail just decided to end it all, I am going to tell you guys, when this kind of unfortunate accident occurs, then how to deal with it. Like, of course I'm not going to cut all of these nails because these are all perfect, in perfect shape, but if this one decided to break, then I have to cut all of these also, so that they can grow at the same time and be perfect like these ones. This just looks so good, you guys. I am literally in pain. So yeah, let's see how we can do that. So in today's video, I am going to do my manicure and I am going to show you guys how I deal with a nail break and how I start growing my nails. So I thought it will be like super helpful if you have just break your nails, so you guys can see that, and please don't be sad. So let's start a new journey with these small nails, and we'll grow them together. So yeah, now without talking much, let's get started. So the first step is to remove all the nail paint from all the nails, and I'll cut all of these so the length will match. So I already have nail polish on my right hand and I don't want to remove it since it is perfect. So I'm not going to use my hand directly like this. To remove your nail polish and to protect your manicure on your right hand, you have to get these kinds of washing gloves, and I have to protect my nails. So I clean the dishes whenever I help my mom with the dishes with these gloves. So today we are going to use these, and we'll remove our nail polish using some nail remover wipes. So yeah, let's see, and I'm going to fast forward this bit, so enjoy. So fantastic. As you guys can see, this is how long my nail used to be, and this is how much it has breaked, and my heart, oh my god, you guys. So now I am going to cut my nails to not like come to this length, but a little bit, bigger than that. Let me show you guys how I do it. So first what I'm going to do is I am going to cut it until here, and then until here, and then I'm going to file with my crystal file. I don't use any buffer or anything. I use a crystal file or a glass nail file. If you guys want to buy this, then I'll give you the Amazon link in the description and you guys can buy it from there. And I always file in one direction like this. You don't want to file in like this zigzag, otherwise your nail can be damaged. So yeah, so now I'm going to file this one first, and after that I'll cut these and file them as well. So yeah, let's see, and now it will be fast forwarded, so enjoy.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When a rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know.
So fantastic. As you guys can see, I have cut all of my nails and also filed them, so there is no harsh piece of nail that is sticking out, which is like very sharp and might break my nail again. So after this part is done, I will usually use a base coat like this one, and I will do a base coat, and then I will paint my nails with whichever color I want, and also moisturize it with my DIY nail oil. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will give it on the I button, so you guys can go and check it out. But now let's end this video with this satisfying nail painting clip with this clear base coat. So yeah, let's paint our nails. It will be fast forwarded as well. So fantastic. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and whatever, like this nail of mine, like this grows super fast. In just 1 to 2 weeks it will be like literally equal to all of these. So yeah, like this is how it looks now, and let's start our nail journey together, and let's see how big our nails are going to be. And so yeah, fantastic. This is how I exactly deal with any of my nail break, and this is how usually I start my nail growth journey. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.